I've got some data here in this Excel spreadsheet and I'd like to export this to a PDF. I'm going to show you how to do it. More importantly, I'm going to show you how to do it correctly, because exporting to a PDF itself is not actually that hard. But when you export it, the data often looks an absolute mess. So let me show you how to do it in two different ways. So first off, I'll show you the wrong way. I'm going to show you just how to export it. So I'll go to File, go to Export, create a PDF, give it a name, and there you have it. It's been exported. Okay, it looks all right, but then as you scroll down the page, the data's come off the page. If I scroll down further, you actually see that these columns, which should be over on the right here, so we've got product and country of origin, they're now on page 3. So I'm sure we've all been presented with data like this before, and we thought, well, how do I read it? Well, let me show you how to do it properly. So the way to do it properly is to highlight all of the data that you want. That's the first step. Then go to, along the top, page layout. Then select print area and set print area. Now it's important that you've highlighted the data first, because if you were just to have it in one cell, I went to print area, set print area, you're going to get an error message. Okay. So anyway, we've highlighted the area that we wanted, which was this whole section here. So again, we'll do that again. So set print area. So we know it's going to print out just that part. It's not going to print out any of these white cells. Okay. Particularly useful if you've got specific data that you want them to be showing in the PDF. The next step is on scale to fit. Click on this little arrow down here. You've got options. You've got portrait or landscape, and you've got the ability to adjust it to a percentage of the size or to make it fit onto one page. So what we can do, we can change to landscape, to fit to one page, press OK. And if I go back to scale to fit, I can do print preview. So you can see all of it fits on one page now. And then if I wanted to, I can just go to export, create a PDF, give it a name, and we can see all the data is on one page. Let me show you some other things. So scale to fit, I could have just adjusted it to a particular size of that page. You can experiment with this as well. Also, I can have it as a portrait one. So again, I'll do portrait and make it fit on just one page. I can actually from here just press print preview. I didn't need to do OK. Just do print preview initially, and we can see it fits on one page. Might be a little bit hard to read, but if you're happy with that, again, you just go to export and create the PDF and XPS. Hopefully you found this video useful. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel for more top tips on how to use different pieces of software, and thank you very much. Have fun exporting those Excel spreadsheets into PDFs.